Update your home with our customizable PDLC Smart Tint Film to create open, modern, unique, and fresh living spaces without sacrificing privacy when you need it. It is possible to accommodate all of your design needs in windows, sliding doors, folding doors, roof lights, kitchen and living room partitions, bedrooms and bathrooms partitions, shower screens, etc.
Smart PDLC glass helps facilitate this by enabling architects to replace certain elements that would ordinarily divide apartments or block views with glass walls, dividers, and even staircases. A smart glass wall around a home or office can maintain the sense of openness within a house, while letting the user turn the wall opaque when needed for privacy or to minimize distraction.